How to join WhatsApp group using link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, this video explains how to join a WhatsApp group using an invite link shared by the group's creator, admin, or member. So, I'll teach you how to obtain the link. First things first, go to the group chat and then tap on the profile on the top. Then scroll down and there you'll see invite via group link. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you can see send link via WhatsApp, share link, copy link, or QR code. So if you want to copy the link and send it to someone, then you just have to tap on copy and then go to the chat of the person and then paste it. Or you can just send link via WhatsApp or even share the link in email or other messaging platforms. Or simply you can tap on QR and then send this QR screenshot, and the person can just scan the QR and join the group. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.